Today I'll be showing you how to make ice cream in a bag. Before we get started, make sure you have these ingredients. 2 tablespoons of plain granulated sugar. A lot of ice, preferably about a half-filled gallon bag. A half teaspoon of vanilla extract. About a third of cup ice cream salt. And 1 cup of whole milk. If you don't have whole milk, another option is if your parents have some leftover half and half. This will also work. In this video, we used Morton ice cream salt. However, if you can't find this or you don't have any leftover at home, another option that is often easily found at home is table salt. But if you're using table salt, be mindful that it is easier for the smaller salt granules to contaminate your ice cream. The best way to avoid salt contamination in your ice cream is to use higher quality bags. The ones used in this video are ziploc, sandwich bags, and freezer gallon bags. First, we will add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Another tip is to have someone else hold the bag open while you add the ingredients into the sandwich-sized bag. Then a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 cup of whole milk. Make sure the inside sandwich bag is sealed very tight. Then into the large gallon bag, half filled with ice, add 1/3 cup of salt. After placing the sandwich bag inside of the larger gallon bag with ice and the salt, make sure that both bags are sealed properly. Another way to ensure that your ice cream isn't contaminated by the salt is to double bag the inside sandwich bag. Next comes the fun part, shaking the bag. This is best done outside as condensation often causes a lot of dripping. It is recommended that the bag be shaken for almost 10 minutes. However, that can be a lot of shaking, and if you are okay with having a milkshake, then something around 5 minutes should do. A final important step is to rinse the outside of the sandwich bag once you remove it. This avoids any salt getting into your ice cream. Now you can enjoy your quick and easy homemade ice cream.